We used recycled cardboard and a recycled glass jar to make the foundation of our volcano. This is what we're going to put our paper mache onto to give it that solid structural base. Then we used white flour and water to create the glue. You'll need about a 1-to-1 ratio of flour to water, and then strips of newspaper and recycled paper to plaster over top of our foundation. Once everything's dried, you can go ahead and paint it and have a ton of fun with this. We put about a 1/4 cup of baking soda in the bottom of our glass jar in our volcano. Then we added some dish soap, about a tablespoon. Finally, we put some red food coloring to give the illusion of lava. Now we free poured our vinegar in and got the eruption that we wanted. Check it out, it's so much fun.
Okay, here we go! Ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, explosion! It's pink!
Oh, that's so cool!
It's so pretty!
Keep track of your science experiments in your very own portfolio in the Artebula app. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.